This is the blood pressure monitor of the future. So guys, if you are looking for a blood pressure monitor, then I would highly recommend to go for this Qardio Arm. Hey guys, what's up? This is Momin from MTRV7 and today I have an unboxing for you for this Qardio Arm blood pressure monitor. It's quite simple. On the left side it gives you all the different features. You can share your data, you can get notifications, and it's clinically proven, which is the best thing. The cup size of this is large, which can fit to a medium and large arm, and that is like 8.7 to 14.6 inches. On the rear it gives you a depiction of the app which shows the details of the blood pressure when it's completely done, and you can share the data with your doctor as well. And the Qardio Arm is really designed for you. It's very handy to carry. It's really nice. I did my research and I really found out that this was the only blood pressure monitor out there in the market which was very sleek and smart. So on the other side of the Qardio box, it shows the way to open up, wear it, to start it. So it's quite simple. It's just 3 steps. It's not rocket science. So let's go ahead and then unbox it and see what comes in the box, what's actually inside. So guys, packaging is very straightforward, very decently packed. It's got a shell on the outside, and on the inside it's black in color. On the front it has this shiny Qardio Arm logo because the device itself is called a Qardio Arm. On the left side you can see it has this green sort of tag which you can push and you can open up the box. So I'm just going to open it up and I'm going to show you. On the rear it's absolutely plain, so very plain packaging. Looks very decent. If you want to keep it in the packaging you can keep it, or otherwise you can just take out the Qardio Arm. So guys, this is the Qardio Arm as it's placed inside a plastic shell, which I'm just going to take out and show you guys. So guys, there's nothing else inside. As I said, very simple packaging. On the bottom of the box you get the serial number. On the top there's nothing. So guys, this is the Qardio Arm, and you can see guys, it's made out of very good quality materials. It's made in Germany. The stitching, the Velcro, the material is of top quality, so you absolutely don't have to worry about that it's going to rip up or it's going to rip apart within a few times of using it. I've been using it for now almost a week and I felt that it is a really sturdy product. It's got a sort of a chrome ring which holds the Velcro in place, and on the front you have the Qardio logo. On the top you have sort of an area where you can fit in the batteries, but I'm not just going to open it because you can just put in batteries. The batteries last quite long. And on the bottom it's the same thing. It's got the same sort of cuts on the bottom. Next off, let's open up the app. The Qardio app is available on the App Store as for Google devices and for Apple devices. Quite simple. As soon as you open up the app, after a few seconds, the start button will turn green. So this is the different tests which I have done. Just let you know guys that if you are going to use this Qardio blood pressure monitor on your arm, just make sure that you remove your jacket and your t-shirt should be rolled up so that your arm is properly exposed, and the Qardio mark should be downwards, and just slip the Qardio Arm onto the top part of your arm, and don't over tighten it, but it should be properly tightened. What you need to do is just turn the cuff over, and that's it. And then turn the Qardio instrument, the Qardio Arm, around, and it should be slightly tough when you're moving it, but not too tight, as I said, and that's it. And next off is we'll go into the app and we will start testing the blood pressure. So guys, as I showed you before, once you open up the Qardio app, the start button will turn green, and in a few seconds it will start testing the blood pressure. And here we are. It is now testing it. It'll make this weird sort of sound. It'll pump up air into the Velcro. And over here I've got a reading of 138, 87, 80 is my pulse, 87 is the diastolic, and 138 is the systolic. The reason is it's a bit high because I'm making this video, plus I'm doing a lot of movement. So what I'm going to do is I am going to retest it again. Before I retest it, I'm just going to show you I've got these different readings, and you can see it's showing us a bit high over here, which is yellow. It gives you a very good sort of graph, and I've been doing all these tests in a few days. So what we'll do is we'll just retest it again and check out if the reading is same or different. So all you have to do is, as normal, just hit start. Very simple, no fuss, and it will make this sound. It'll pump in air, and yeah, so this time it failed. If it gives you this error, it means that the position of your arm isn't right, or there's some other reasons. All you have to do is you have to click cancel and then retry again. And do not move your body and do not move your arm while testing your blood pressure. So now once again I'm testing my blood pressure just to match the reading with my previous reading to see that if it's correct or not. And as I told you guys, this blood pressure monitor is pretty much accurate. Just give it a few seconds, and here we go. So this time it's given 135, 86, 80. 135, 86, 80 is again in the yellow area, which is slightly high, high to normal, but it's fine. As I said, my blood pressure is normal, I can make it out, but this Qardio Arm can detect irregular blood pressure patterns and irregular heartbeat as well. So it is 310 grams including the batteries. The size is 5.5 inches, 2.7 inches by 1.5 inch. The cuff size is 8.7 to 14.6 inch circumference. Apart from that, it has the light on the top, and when it pairs, it'll have a Bluetooth. It works through Bluetooth to your phone. So I think it's a brilliant device, good to carry in your bag, easy, no issues, no fuss. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in your comment section below how did you like the device, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now, guys.